Okay, today is Thursday, October 29th, 2020. We're at 313 Lake Street in Howell. As you can see, we're at a 4-inch cleanout tee. You can see we got the 4-inch main line comes down. We are right next to the water heater. We will show you, we're at the back wall. You can see that is a front wall. The laundry, there's a laundry tub, and then the water meter is up against the front wall. The sewer does run out to the front. It does run to the middle of the road. There's been a couple of issues recently with backups, so we're going to do a diagnostic televised. The sewer was just cabled actually a couple of days ago. As you can see here, the piping under the floor is 4-inch PVC. You can see here we have a tie into the side, possibly the laundry area. You can see we are holding water at this point. We're going to continue to televise, but you can see we're underwater. Okay, as you can see we're still in PVC. We will have to do a second video with a centering guide due to the water. As you can see here again, we go back underwater again. And you can see, so far we've had a couple of bellies. We believe those to be located outside. As you can see here, okay, as you can see here, we changed over to clay tile. At that point, we had a rough time getting over the transition area there. Again, we will do a second video with a centering guide. You can see here we're underwater again at this point. Again, you can see we do have some root infiltration here. You can see the sewer does change back to the PVC again. Now we actually go into corrugated. And back to PVC. You can see we turn down here. You can see we got a second drop here. This actually turns and puts us at the city main. Okay, we are going to pull back at this time. We are going to start marking some of the areas that we found, and we will do a second video using a centering guide to get an idea of the depth of water. We are going to continue to record here as we pull back. Okay, we have located this. This is about the middle of the green belt. It's down about 3'10". The green belt does drop down, and the ground does slope from the house out to the green belt area. There is a bit of a slope. As you can see, this is all corrugated piping. And then here you can see we have some PVC, and then we go to the clay tile. You can see we show some areas of root infiltration. And now you're going to see we do pick up some water as well. We've had several areas that show bellies in the line. We will do a second video that goes out to the corrugated that we'll use a centering guide to get an idea of the depth of the water. Here again, you can see we lose our visual. We believe this is where we change, where we drop down there is where we change back to PVC again from the clay tile. We do have several areas here in the PVC where we were underwater and we lost visual. Again, you can see here is a large area where we're underwater. Again, we do want to use a centering guide just to get an idea. Okay, we are going to do a second recording.